So we're at the famous Pentecost River crossing. Doesn't look too bad at the minute, but we'll put the drone up and we'll cross it.
Hey guys, so this morning we saw our first, we saw one last night, but like
the same one.
Oh, well, the same one. We saw our first salty in the wild, and Jim chucked the drone up and he actually got it on the drone, so, and it was cool, but pretty scary at the same time. Don't you reckon, Jim?
Yeah, you would see him from across the river. It was on the other side and you could see the colour difference. So I put the drone up and got him. But we're just, and that's at the Pentecost, like the river crossing's just up there, like, I don't know, not even a K, probably 800 metres maybe. So, yeah, they're around. But at least he's on the other side of the river. Nikki better behave too, otherwise I might throw her in.
Alrighty guys, so we're nearly at the end of the Gibb. We're at the Pentecost River camp spot. And we've been here for a day, and yesterday I noticed, pretty sure that was a mosquito in the fan. Yesterday I noticed that our milk and our stuff in the fridge was getting a little bit warm. I didn't think anything of it, I thought Jim just chucked it in. But we've come to realise that our fridge isn't working. So our food from the freezer is starting to defrost. Our fridge food is warm. Jim and I have been on the phone like all day trying to get it all fixed up with Dometic and Wonderland, which Wonderland's been really good, so is Dometic, but we're in the middle of nowhere, so they can't fix it. So now we're gonna have to try and transfer everything into the Waco that's already pretty much full of food still, because I was actually organised for once. So yeah, I think some of that might already be no good, which is no good, but yeah, so now we're gonna have to try and fit it all somewhere, and yeah, it's a bit stressful, but what else can you do?
We can hold on and then go over the bump and do a whack.
Oh, you can feel the warmth in here.
Yeah, it's starting to get sticky.
Yeah, I think I know how it gets warm in the thing.
This is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's
So,
like a jungle oasis.
yeah. we haven't done an intro yet, but this is Zebedee Hot Springs. It's meant to be 32 degrees all year round. So we're gonna go check it out.
No, is it? No way, I didn't see it. Where is it?
How is it? It's nice. Yeah. Because it was a bit cool. We're walking down.
No, can I?
Cool. It's shallow, Cooper.
Oh, here he is. You can swim too.
See, they're standing up over there.
Yeah, the one we were at yesterday. It smelled like baby food. We were at the
Oh no. Emma.
Gorge, and the hot spring, it smelled like baby poo, and I was like, I'm getting PTSD here.
Was Emma good?
Emma was beautiful. Emma's
Yeah.
very pretty.
Easy.
Really extra weight.
Whoa, Cooper, what are you doing?
Look at my eyes.
Is this nice and warm?
I'm not doing that ever again.
You're so cheeky.
Get him. Yeah, it's a metre deep.
Yeah, last I thought it was a meter.
Yeah, they said it was a metre at the gate. Yesterday.
This is so cool. It's so warm. It's like a real little bath.
Alright, that's only just on the bonnet. Window open, you're right. Don't do the fatal mistake of leaving your window open. That's pointing at you, honey. Yeah.
Is that cool? Is that nice? Is that nice, Cooper?
Yeah. Is it warm? Let's go to it. Let's go to
No, we're staying here now.
Yeah, we're not moving.
No, just there. I am videoing. No, not doing your shorts up. So that was Zebedee Springs, Zebedee Springs, and it was awesome. It is so beautiful, and the water was so nice and warm. What did you think?
It was very cool. Super cold to get back out.
We didn't want to leave, but we have another walk that we're going to go do. So we're going to go do our Questro, but we have to go back to our van and get our water shoes because we forgot them.
Just checking the bag.
We'll go do that now.
So we're about to do the Questro big creek crossing. It's a bit deep, but we'll give it a go.
the bonnet.
Up to the bonnet most of the way.
It was crazy.
We got a bit of water in, but not a lot, which is alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway. Hopefully we got good footage. Annalise was on the GoPro and Nikki was on the drone.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Alrighty, so now we are headed to, where are we going here? Oh, Questro Gorge. And we should be at the car park soon. And yeah, come and check that out.
So the walks hasn't been too bad yet, it's just been rock hopping a little bit, but all the way along there's just heaps of cool little waterfalls like that and little swimming holes, which will be good for on the way back because we'll be hot and we'll be able to cool off heaps. Yeah, here's another little pool. So nice in here.
So we are at halfway pool, so just over, well, I think it's a little bit over halfway, but it's so good to relax and just cool off in the water, have some lunch before we do the last bit.
Okay, Lee. Whoa! Yeah. You hold on and then I'll see if I can climb up. Yeah. Just sit there and hold on nicely, you alright? Just lean on the wall and sort of float. It's so nice in here.
It's so refreshing.
Yeah. Up on our way to the next falls, to the next pool, and we got some big boulders to go over now.
We made it finally after heaps of rock scrambling. It was insane, but we're here. Look, Ruby, we're here. We made it.
Are you on, Kurt?
Finally! Go! Kick! Oh! Oh! Oh!
We finished the Gibb! Alrighty, so we finished the Gibb. We finished the Gibb! So we're about to head to Kununurra, and so at the start of the Gibb, Annalise got to put our sticker on the sign. So Coop's gonna quickly chuck the sticker on, and then we're gonna head on to Kununurra.
So next week we'll probably do a bit of a video of how our experience was on the Gibb all over, and our breakages and
our favourite places.
Just stuff like that. And yeah, so see you next week.